Welcome back, fam! It's Teresa Von Regan here, and I am so excited to bring you one of my favorite summer recipes. Today, we're gonna make shrimp macaroni salad. The ingredients you need for this dish are very simple and just 5 ingredients. For the base of your salad dressing for this pasta salad is mayonnaise, my favorite seasoning, Old Bay, and I'm a Maryland girl, so of course, who doesn't love Old Bay? Green peppers, shrimp. I love to buy the already peeled shrimp that are like a medium size and they're deveined, peeled, and ready to go. You just take them out of the freezer and defrost them. And then over at the sink, which we're gonna drain, is pasta. And that's it. All the dressing is for this recipe is the mayonnaise and the Old Bay. So I'm dumping it in. Do yourself a favor, use a nice big bowl. So this stainless bowl is my go-to bowl for mixing cookies, pasta salads, everything. We finished mixing the Old Bay and the mayonnaise. Now we're gonna go over to the sink and drain the pasta. I'm gonna dump my shrimp in my strainer first. Then I'm gonna dump the pasta right on top of the shrimp. And that steam from the pasta, is gonna finish defrosting that shrimp. We've drained our pasta. We have the shrimp below the pasta. And now we're gonna dump this into our dressing in our nice big stainless bowl. Then we're gonna dump in the green peppers. Look how beautiful this is, and the colors, like the salmon color from the shrimp and the green from the peppers. And voila, there you have it. Your perfect shrimp macaroni salad for your next picnic or barbecue. Don't forget to put your favorite summer dish in the comments. And as always, subscribe, like, comment, hit the bell. Bye for now, fam.